Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with CJ. Thanks for stopping by. Today we're going to be making pork onion bombs. Alright, just a little finger food thing. I came across it on social media somewhere. I'm going to put my own kind of my own twist on it. So, it looks like it's fairly easy to do, but we'll give it a shot. Alright, and it looks like damn tasty, so we're gonna learn this together. Alright, if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for stopping by. You know I love you. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and hit that bell next to it. We do a lot of good things on this channel and have a lot of fun. Alright, come on back and we'll go over what we're doing today. Alright guys, we got the finished product right here. Did it right. Did it in the oven like we should have in the first place. You saw how the first ones looked. Now we've made up and did it right. It's pretty damn good to me. Come on back, see how we put this thing together. Alright guys, we're back. I want to show you what happens when we cut into this bad boy. Get a little cross section. Oh yeah, look at all that. That's some goodness right there. Alright, come on back and I'll show you how we do this, how we put this thing together. Alright guys, we're going to go over the ingredients for our onion bombs. Okay, so we got, of course, the sweet white onion. Got some mozzarella cheese sticks that I'm going to cut in half. That I'm going to stuff into the pork sausage that is going to the onion. Wrapped in bacon, fried in oil. Alright guys, we're back. I want to show you how we make these little onion cups. Alright, I've already cut up an onion. This is what it's going to look like. We're going to make a meatball and put it in here. Alright, close it up, wrap it in bacon, skewer it, good to go. Alright, so I'm just going to show you how we do this. We're going to kind of do it level, to the top off, bottom off, alright, peel the paper, real quick, put that to the side, alright, so we're going to cut it. See this, we're going to cut it from the middle down. Alright, so we're just making it to look like Pac-Man. Okay? See how I've cut into it? Only halfway. And then we're going to start kind of peeling, and we're looking for cup size onion holders. So, sorry, not onion holders, pork holders. Okay, so I got to the end. This is a rather big onion. We were hoping for, finding some medium-sized onions in there, but this will do. All right, you want to go, if you have a big onion, go towards the center, okay? And this is what we're looking for. Just something we can shove the meatball in it. All right, guys, we're back. We're gonna work on the meat now. We have just a big pack of bacon here. We're going with 4 onion cups for now. So ideally, you're gonna use 2 strips of bacon per cup. So in my crazy math, that means we need 8 strips of bacon. So I'm going to go ahead and take out 8 strips of bacon and 8. Alright. Go ahead and put this aside. We'll cook this up later. Alright, let me wash my hands real quick. Be right back. Alright guys, we're back. We're going to get the pork sausage mixture going. Got a little of this bacon lover seasoning. Gonna put a little in the bottom. This one's all about pork all the time. Okay, I'm gonna debling for this one. Gonna squeeze this in here. Ew. Alright. This some. It's alright to get a little dirty. Alright, put that aside. Alright, we're gonna work in this mix, the seasoning. Alright guys, we're back. We've got a couple of these bad boys already filled in. Basically, we're just kind of eyeballing what will fit in each onion cup. One's going to be a little smaller, a little bit bigger than the others. Alright, so we're just going to make it kind of flat. Grab one of these cheeses, this little third of string cheese, and get it wrapped together. And you want to pinch it tight, make sure that it's totally sealed around the cheese, because you don't want the cheese to be squeezing out or dripping out, whatever. Alright, you see how that kind of fills in there? Pretty good. Alright, fits pretty good in there. Okay. Alright, I'm going to put this aside and wash my hands. Come on back. Okay guys, we're back. We got our onion balls here. So we're gonna start with one layer. You know what? We are probably gonna need three layers around bacon. You know what? We're gonna have to do it like this. It might actually take four balls or 4 pieces of bacon per ball. See, we're really cooking here. Sometimes that happens. Okay? So we'll put this all around. I'm gonna take this skewer right here, find the first seam, just go all the way through, hopefully without making a big mess, to the other piece of bacon. There we go. All right, so we let these kind of form around each other. Good stuff. All right, guys, we're back. We got our onion bombs ready to go right here. I'm gonna do 2 at a time because it's just like I said, a small appetizer fryer. And I'm gonna start with the bigger ones first because they're gonna take the longest amount of time. The way I saw this recipe online was in the oven. Okay, so in the oven it was 350 degrees for 40 minutes. I have it on 350 in the oil here. I have a feeling it's gonna take a little bit less time to do in the oil, so I'm just gonna keep an eye on it, make sure the bacon doesn't burn. One's probably gonna be a sacrificial lamb just to make sure everything's done all the way through. And we'll have a couple good ones to eat and try. Okay? All right, let's add these bad boys in here. So we got one fatty right here. And another one right here. It's okay if they're touching a little bit. They'll move around in the oil. Okay? Let's see if we can do this. We're going to go slowly. All right. All right, let's close this bad boy up. All right, guys, we're back. Now, I'm beginning to think there was a reason when I saw this recipe that it needed to be done in the oven. Because if you look down here, here is the first bomb, and it's absolutely falling apart. Okay, so we're pulling out the second bomb right here, and it's burned, sort of. The cheese is leaking out, right? And just generally does not look appetizing. And if you try to like poke at it, like you gotta really work at it here to get in there. And it's probably not cooked all the way in the middle. All right. So, part 2 of this bad boy is we're gonna put these other remaining bombs in the oven like I saw on the damn recipe. I was so excited to use my new fryer here, which I'm going to turn off because I ain't frying no more, none. I was so excited to try this bad boy. I probably didn't think this one through that well. Alright, not a problem. We're really cooking on this challenge, so you get the wins and you get the fails. It's not a big deal. No one's going hungry. I'm obviously not going hungry. Dead sexy, but I ain't going hungry. Alright. So I'll put these 2 in the oven. I gotta go on 350, and we'll do it for 30 minutes. Check it out, and then 40 minutes if we need to. All right, come on back. Get down, get down. I know you want to be in the video, Charlie. All right, guys, we're back. We have our onion bombs done the right way in the oven. The ingredients are gonna be below. And I'm actually going to put the prep below too, which is the timing and all that, because I felt like I kind of jumbled this up through the cooking and the fryer and then the oven, whatever. So I want you guys to have good directions down at the bottom. All right. Don't mind that tab dancing in the background. We got wooden floors and a little pug running around. All right, little Charlie down there. I cut this up already just to kind of see the cross section of it. You've already seen that. I'm going to tie this bad boy. Cut a little bit. Man, you get a little of the bacon, a little of the sausage, a little of the onion, the cheese. Oh yeah. Tell you what, man, it took us a minute to get here. But we got here, man. That's good. There is nothing wrong with sausage, mozzarella cheese, onions, and bacon all together. Try this. You will love it. Do it for your parties. Make them a little smaller. Put some toothpicks in them. Good stuff. All right. Come on back and we'll talk about the day. All right, guys, we're back. This was a long day. We kind of had a little bit of issues with this one, but you know what? We persevered, we came through, and we won. That was a great dish. I'm gonna actually celebrate with another beer here. And another fellow YouTuber, Gary at Food Porn Network. You know it's good if it's Food Porn Network. Hit him up, I have the link below. Send me another koozie here. I have everybody keeping my beers nice and cold. So cheers, Gary. You guys know I love me some beer. All right, so that's it. It was a great day. Try this recipe, you'll love it. Check out Gary. Tell him I said hi. He's doing great things over there. Really appreciate you stopping by today. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.